Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to limit to one response in Google Forms. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just type questions for the Google form. So if I just want to create any types of questions, means I just want to send to my responsible persons so they can type the information, but I just want to restrict the one response for the one email ID. What I have to do here? So how to do that? So on your top you will find a questions response and settings will be there. Just go to settings option. There will be a lot of settings will be available. So here there will be first setting is response. So here there will be a required in sign in. So it should be a required sign in, so that then only it will be enabled. So just enable this response will be required sign in Google and limit to one response. So once you select this one option, means they can enable the email ID for one response for the one questions. So if you enable this option, means it will be easy to limit only one response for one form. So you can enable this option, means it will be easy to limit the response for the Google form 1:1. So if you enable this one, just go to send option and select the URL and copy the URL. If you send the information, means so automatically the people can enter the response, but they can enter only one time. So they can able to enter into only one time. Otherwise, so once I type my name and my contact details, everything I typed, so I just want to choose some football or anything else, so I just choose a class and submit, means so response is already submitted. Again I just want to submit the one more response, means it will ask you for login in another email ID. So you are already responded. Can you fill out any types of things? So try to another one or think mistakes. So this is a beautiful and easiest option. If you enable this single response, means automatically you will get this kind of message. So only one time user can enter into the information. So if you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.